Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings. This is where privacy and storage controls live. Once done, either scroll to the app list or tap the search bar and type the exact app name to jump straight there. Make sure you understand the distinction. iOS rarely calls it clear cache. Apps store data as documents, caches, and keychain. You need to find the app entry to view its storage footprint. This lets you choose the proper removal method. You now inspect the app storage summary to decide. If documents and data is large, choose Offload App to remove the executable while keeping your files. Reinstalling restores them. If you want a full reset, tap Delete App. That removes both app and stored data. For built-in apps, go to General iPhone Storage where iOS suggests offloading or shows large caches. Use those recommendations. Remember, deleting is irreversible unless you have a backup, so make that decision deliberately. Finish by reinstalling the app from the App Store if you offloaded or deleted it. This restores a fresh executable, and if you deleted data, you get a clean slate. Make sure to sign back into the app so Cloud Sync resumes. If unwanted data persists, sign out of the app and sign back in, then restart your iPhone. As a troubleshooting tip, if clearing fails, restore from an iCloud backup made before the issue, or contact the app developer or Apple support for deeper help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.